To fix the Snapchat SS error on Android, start by understanding what the error means. The SS error is a server error that occurs when Snapchat is unable to connect to its servers. This can be due to a variety of reasons, including poor internet connection, outdated app version, or server downtime. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. Try loading other apps or websites to see if the issue is specific to Snapchat. If your internet connection is fine, proceed to the next step. Next, ensure that your Snapchat app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and check if there are any updates available. If an update is available, install it and try opening Snapchat again. If the issue persists, try clearing the Snapchat app cache and data. To do this, go to your Android settings, select Apps, find Snapchat, and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. This will remove any temporary files that may be causing the error. Another solution is to reinstall the Snapchat app. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and select Uninstall. Then, reinstall the app and try opening it again. Additionally, check if Snapchat is down by visiting their social media pages or website. If the servers are down, you will have to wait until they are back up and running. Finally, if none of the above steps work, try restarting your Android device. This will close all running apps and may resolve any issues that are causing the SS error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat SS error on your Android device. Remember to always keep your app up to date and check your internet connection before trying other solutions.